Bloom's taxonomy. Number 1, knowledge. Knowledge क्या है? Recall of information, discovery, observation, listing, locating, naming. ये knowledge है. Comprehension. Comprehension क्या है? Understanding, translating, summarizing, demonstrating, discussing. Number 3, application. Application क्या है? Using and applying knowledge, using problem solving methods, manipulating, designing, experimenting. Number 4, analysis. Analysis क्या है? Identifying and analyzing patterns, organization of ideas, recognizing trends. Number 5, synthesis. Synthesis क्या है? Using old concepts to create new ideas, design and invention, composing, imagining, inferring, modifying, predicting, combining. ये सब synthesis में आते हैं. Number 6, evaluation. Evaluation क्या है? Assessing theories, comparison of ideas, evaluating outcomes, solving, judging, recommending, and the last one is rating. Educational taxonomies with examples, example questions and example activities. Cognitive domain. Cognitive domain में क्या आता है? Bloom's taxonomy. Knowledge. Number 1, knowledge क्या है? Knowledge is defined as the remembering of previously learned material. This may involve the recall of a wide range of materials, from specific facts to complete theories. But all that is required is the bringing to mind of the appropriate information. Knowledge represents the lowest level of learning outcomes in the cognitive domain. Description: to know, to recall. Remembering previously learned material. Lowest level of learning. Listing learned information. Remembering terms, methods, facts, concepts, specific items of information. Number 2, comprehension. Comprehension is defined as the ability to grasp the meaning of material. This may be shown by translating material from one form to another, words or numbers, by interpreting material, explaining or summarizing, and by estimating future trends, predicting consequences or effects. These learning outcomes go one step beyond the simple remembering of material and represent the lowest level of understanding. Description: explaining and understanding as comprehension. Ability to grasp the meaning of material, communicating an idea, explaining ideas, summarizing material, understanding facts and principles. Number 3, Application. Application refers to the ability to use learned material in new and concrete situations. This may include the application of such things as rules, methods, concepts, principles, laws, and theories. Learning outcomes in this area require a higher level of understanding than those under comprehension. Description: using ideas, applying concepts and principles to new situations, applying laws and theories to practical situations, solving of mathematical problems, constructing charts and graphs, demonstrating correct usage of method or procedure, applying rules, methods, concepts, principles, laws, theories, requires higher level of understanding than comprehension. Number 4. Analysis. Analysis refers to the ability to break down material into its component parts so that its organizational structure may be understood. This may include the identification of the parts, analysis of the relationships between parts, and the recognition of the organizational principles involved. Learning outcomes here represent a higher intellectual level than comprehension and application because they require an understanding of both the content and the structural form of the material. Description है breaking down. Breaking material down into component parts, understanding the organizational structure, analysis of relationships between parts, recognition of organizational principles involved, understanding both the content and structural form, analyzing the elements. Number 5 है synthesis. Synthesis refers to the ability to put parts together to form a new whole. This may involve the production of a unique communication, theme or speech, a plan of operations, research proposal, or a set of abstract relations, scheme for classifying information. Learning outcomes in this area stress creative behaviors with major emphasis on the formulation of new patterns or structures. Description है इसके लिए forming new whole, putting parts together in a new whole, formulating new patterns or structures, abstract relationships, communicating an idea in a unique way, proposing a new set of operations, creating new or original things, take things and pattern them in a new way. Number 6 है evaluation. Evaluation is concerned with the ability to judge the value of material, statement, novel, poem, research report for a given purpose. The judgments are to be based on definite criteria. These may be internal criteria, organization, or external criteria, relevance to the purpose, and the student may determine the criteria or be given them. Learning outcomes in this area are highest in the cognitive hierarchy because they contain elements of all of the other categories plus value judgments based on all unclearly defined criteria. Description है judging. Ability to judge the value of material, use of definite criteria for judgments, value judgments based on clearly defined criteria, use of cognitive and affective thinking together.